Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve layout on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve layout on Clash of Clans app problem, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to Clash of Clans. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.